Kaiut Yoga. Maybe you've heard of this Brazilian yoga. Don't Google that, please. Kaiut Yoga on the t-shirt, even got the t-shirt, is what I teach here at kathywhiteyoga.com. Kaiut Yoga, homage to Francisco Kaiut, the founder of this method. I am just so happy to be a certified teacher of this type of yoga. What is it? It's a yoga that's been developed and gifted down to us from someone who he himself had a severe hip injury as a child. So somebody who's worked through chronic pain, injury, and lack of mobility in a major joint of the body. So it comes from inside knowledge. The other thing Kaiut is it's about addressing our modern day madness that we live in. This modern day ping of the phone, ring of the computer, ring at the doorbell, driving the car, running in to get the kids, rushing off to work, everything that is so busy and active in our lives, that we generate a pace in our lives that even when we go to rest, we find we can't rest. One of the biggest growth industries in this world at this time is our sleeping aids, whether they be medication or devices or institutes to teach people how to sleep. It's because we can't rest. Well, Kaiut Yoga is a methodology that helps address that whole body nervous system that needs to relax, and we need to reactivate our parasympathetic nervous system and calm down. Kaiut Yoga addresses the joints, the bones, and how they move together, and the lack of liquidity in our body, how we've stiffened up and we don't flow. We don't flow in our minds. We don't flow in our lives. So if you're looking for a yoga that can calm you down, that can invigorate you and make you stronger and more flexible in your joints, and that you will love in the approach and the precision of it, then welcome to Kathy White Yoga. Go ahead to my website, download 3 free videos so you can experience this extraordinary practice for yourself. Kaiut Yoga, a modern yoga for today. Thank you.